My name is Andreas Wienold. I'm LifeSize's Vice President for the International Market. I'm here in New Delhi today to celebrate the launch of LifeSize Cloud. LifeSize Cloud is a brand new cloud service by LifeSize that we launched in the US and Europe only a few weeks ago and has had tremendous reception there already. We're launching in India today because we do think that cloud-based video communication has a unique chance to give the power of video to a lot of customers, small, medium businesses all across India. Let me explain what LifeSize Cloud is. LifeSize Cloud brings all the video communications infrastructure hosted by LifeSize in the public cloud to allow people to do point-to-point, multi-point video calling from their PC, Mac, their iPhones, iPads, Android devices, or from the meeting room connected with a LifeSize icon or 220 meeting room device. The experience for the user is very, very simple. It's as easy as dialing a phone call on your smartphone. You just select somebody, press his name, and you're in an HD video call point to point, wherever this other person might be. We do support automatic escalation. So if from a point-to-point call you want to add a third person, the only thing you do is you add another person from a directory, and now you're in a three-party call. And this works for up to 25 users in a single call, so people can very naturally build out large conferences. We do believe that LifeSize Cloud is very relevant for India because it's very bandwidth efficient. All the infrastructure is being hosted by LifeSize. So the only thing that a customer does need to bring is a little bit bandwidth on his sites where he has his software or hardware endpoints to connect to LifeSize Cloud. All the large amount of bandwidth is being kept by LifeSize centralized in cloud. Obviously, pricing is an important component. LifeSize Cloud is priced very aggressively. We do start at $25 per user a month, so it really allows any kind of user, any kind of business to get into video communication immediately.
Can you share some of the tips for the enterprise CIOs before they select a video conferencing solution?
Sure. I think most important is try the solution out in your own network. There's a lot of good offerings out in the market, and LifeSize Cloud is an opportunity you shouldn't miss out on. But test what you're looking at. Go on lifesize.com and you can sign up for a free 14-day trial for LifeSize Cloud and test each and every feature for 14 days of LifeSize Cloud. Make sure you do this with our product. Make sure you do this with any competitor's product to exactly see how your users like a service and what video quality you're able to get on your own network, in your own setup, in your own meeting rooms.
What are some of the industry demands, especially from the enterprises? And what are the growth drivers for video communication?
Well, we see video communications everywhere. My 6-year-old son would call me using video from his cell phone to my cell phone. Everything is on video today, but very often when we come back into our work day, video communication is complicated. And I enter a meeting room and it has a full one-page document on how to dial a video call, and I call into a virtual meeting room by dialing IP address, hash something, need to enter a passcode. This is not how the world should be. The world has moved to video being everywhere, and the world has moved to cloud, where compute is centrally very affordable available. And with LifeSize Cloud, we're combining both. So we're combining both market trends of the cloud and video that's everywhere into one solution, easily scalable.
Which are the main industry verticals using your solution?
Well, we don't think there's going to be a lot of separation for industry verticals. This allows the small lawyer that said it has an office in Mumbai, New Delhi, and Bangalore to now spread its expertise all over India and consult people over video and bill more hours. We have non-for-profit customers. There's a great Australian customer we have that teaches deaf children to hear over video. We do believe that small, medium companies will be the biggest uptake, but we'll see. For small, medium companies, with a big advantage in LifeSize Cloud is that you don't need to own your own infrastructure. You don't have the upfront cost, and you also don't need to employ the personnel to run the upfront your own infrastructure.
Last question, how do you do differently your business in India? Strategically?
LifeSize, our strategy is always to be very video-centric. There's a couple of great competitors we have out in the market, but video is only one of many things they do. They will never be as focused as we are. LifeSize is the only company out there that's 100% focused on video only, but also has the scalability of being part of Logitech, a large global public listed company. This combination, we can ensure that we really focus on how we can use video communication to make the customer's business better by solving his business issues and open up growth opportunities, which there's so many in India.
Would you like to give some up on the cloud solution?
So as I said, LifeSize Cloud is a unique solution. It really gets you into video communication within minutes. Start your trial at lifesize.com. Within 3 minutes, you're going to be up and running, do your first video calls between one of your many devices, and within a couple of more minutes, you're going to have multi-point calling up and running, which I can promise you wouldn't be possible with any other solution out in the market.